Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, is the hypothetical intelligence of a machine that has the capacity to understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can. It is a long-term goal of some artificial intelligence researchers and developers. In this video, we will explore the concept of AGI and Nvidia's role in its development. Part 1. Defining Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. AGI is a hypothetical level of intelligence where a machine can perform any intellectual task that a human being can. This includes abilities like reasoning, problem-solving, learning, understanding language, and even creativity. Part 2. The difference between AGI and narrow AI. Today's AI is mostly narrow or weak AI. It's designed for specific tasks like playing chess or recognizing faces. AGI, on the other hand, would be general purpose, like human intelligence. Part 3. Nvidia's role in AI development. Nvidia is a leading designer of graphics processing units, GPUs, that are essential for training AI models. Their GPUs provide the massive computing power needed for complex AI calculations. Part 4. Nvidia's hardware for AGI. Nvidia is developing specialized hardware specifically designed for AI workloads. This includes their Tensor Core GPUs and specialized AI chips. Part 5. Nvidia's software for AGI. Nvidia also provides software platforms like CUDA and TensorRT that help developers build and deploy AI applications. Part 6. The challenges of achieving AGI. AGI is an incredibly complex challenge. We need to develop AI models that can reason, learn, and adapt like humans, which is far beyond current capabilities. Part 7. The potential benefits of AGI. If we achieve AGI, it could revolutionize many fields. Imagine AI scientists making breakthroughs in medicine or creating sustainable energy solutions. Part 8. The ethical concerns of AGI. AGI also raises ethical concerns. How do we ensure it's used for good? What happens if it surpasses human intelligence? These are questions we need to address. Part 9. The future of AGI with Nvidia. Nvidia's hardware and software are playing a key role in pushing the boundaries of AI. They are empowering researchers and developers to make progress toward AGI. Part 10. Conclusion. The development of AGI is a long and challenging journey, but the potential rewards are enormous. With companies like Nvidia providing the tools and technology, we may be closer than we think.